All right, the afternoon I've been looking for is I'm going to treat all this stuff, the dry rot and the mold and all that kind of stuff. I'm doing a two-step process. I've got all this stuff scraped down, wire brushed, broomed down, everything ready to go everywhere. I got cardboard down here in case I need to kneel down there. And, oh, yeah, I've got my knee pad in case I need that. And I'm going to spray. I'm going to treat this myself. I'm going to use a Hudson sprayer. Hello. That's probably 1.5 gallons, 2 gallons. Hudson sprayer. What am I going to use? You might think it odd what I'm going to use. What does this look like anyways? Germicidal bleach concentrated. And this is the Home Depot special stuff. It's HDX. If you ever go to Home Depot, lots of stuff has HDX on it. And I looked on the Clorox. They sold Clorox too, about 50 cents more per gallon. Same stuff. It says germicidal bleach on it. The Clorox did. This also said, oh, I read it somewhere. Where did it go? Oh, right here. Kills 99.9% of common household germs. Kills viruses that cause colds and flus. You know what? This stuff about kills anything that it gets on. And I'm gonna treat all this stuff with this. And you can do other things. I mean, obviously they have different things at the store for water damage, for mold, for mildew, all kinds of different stuff. But I just got this. I got there's 2 gallons there. There's another gallon there. There's 4 gallons, and I even got another one because I thought whatever I don't use. See, there's another one. Whatever I don't use, we can use for the wash and stuff, and put for the bleach and things like that. Okay, I'm going to spray all that on here first with the Hudson sprayer. That's what I'm going to use. And before I do anything, I mean, obviously, if you get that stuff all over yourself, you don't want to get it on your skin or anything. I got my gloves here. And I went to the store and I thought I need to get some overalls. So these are lightweight overalls for painting and all kinds of stuff, all-purpose coverall. And this is the HDX again. And this is extra large. They didn't have large. And besides extra large, that'll fit me. I'm going to put it over all my clothes. And see, this one doesn't have a hood. They have some that have a hood. Those were all sold out. Because I thought, well, you know, I don't want to. Usually I wear a hat to kind of protect myself. I can't wear my hat. If I wear this hat, I got this on right now. Look how dirty this thing is. If I wore this hat and if I got up in here to spray up high, okay, that's all coming down on my head. And this thing is going to be dotted with bleach marks, and I don't want that. This can clean up. I'm going to put this in the dishwasher. I'll probably spray it with Simple Green first, rinse it all down, and then throw it in the dishwasher and clean it. Yeah, you can do that for hats. They even have little holders that you can put on and snap it on. That looks like a hat, and you put your hat in there. But I just throw the whole thing in there. I don't mind. Okay, so I couldn't find the one with the hood. The hood was like $1.50 more. They had a double extra large with a hood for $3 or $4 more, and I thought, no, that's going to be way too awkward, way too big on me. So I'm just going to wear that, zip it all up. You zip it up into here, and like right now, I got a blue shirt on. Okay, you see it? There, kind of grayish blue. Well, I'm going to take this off and I'm going to put a white shirt on. Now, I've got a couple white shirts here because, hey, if I get anything on these shirts, bleach, I don't really care about white, right? Because I'm going to just wash them. And see, this has little gray lines in it, but I can put this one inside out, and I'm going to wear it inside out. And granted, it's going to be underneath. It's going to be underneath the this white deal anyways, but if this gets saturated, if I get it wet, it's going to transfer over to whatever I'm wearing, right? So I had to think about this. I had a shirt. I'm like, okay, which shirts are the worst ones that I have? So I'm going to put this one inside out. I'm going to put that one inside out, and this one's almost ready to throw away. And I'm going to put one on my head, and I'll show you how I tie that in a minute. And I got my crummy shoes on, and usually I wear some little small black socks. Well, I got my white socks on, because if I get anything on there above my overall bottom, I don't want to mess up my black socks. And I even put some little white, kind of like swimming shorts or something. And I could have flopped those inside out too, I guess. I could have done that, but I'm not gonna get that stuff all over me. Besides, I'm gonna have this on. I'm gonna be as careful as I can. But I'm gonna do that first, and I'll wear these gloves, and I got my mask on. I'm gonna wear a mask, some goggles, and well, let's see, and then I'll put my my shirts on. Hey, I'm not taking any chances either. Here's my lumbar support back brace, I call it. And I'm gonna leave this off because it's black. I don't want anything to get saturated under my, oh, I guess I better push that up higher because I'm gonna spray up there too. Yeah, I can't leave that like that, but see, I'm gonna spray along this thing here too. Okay, so I'll have to remember to get up there, but and I even used my knee brace. And see, usually I have a black one. Well, this one's blue, and I flipped it inside out, so it's white on the outside, in case something gets on there, you know. I'm trying to prepare myself, and so let's see. I took my shirt. I've got my shirt inside out. Gosh, I could have done that on my pants. In fact, I might still do that. Okay, so I got my shirt here, right? Now I'm going to put that inside out. This is going on my head. So I wanted to think, okay, which shirt should I put on my head? Which one should I put, you know, on here? I don't think it really matters. They're both white, and if I get some stuff on there, so be it. So here's how I do this, and I used to do this when I was younger, doing framing. Okay, so in fact, I can roll this just a couple times like that, and then put it right like that, and now I can tie it, and I only have to tie it once. Get it snug. See? Look at that. And you know what? If you're working outside, there, just like that. Man, maybe I should do it a little bit longer. Okay, so I'm just going to roll it over once. If you're working outside and it's really hot in the middle of the summer, drench a shirt, a white t-shirt like this, with water. Okay? And then put it on like this. You can go shirtless, get a suntan, or you can have another shirt on, but this will keep your head nice and cool, and then the water drips down on your back and stuff. Okay, look, voila, I didn't need that hood. Now I don't have to wear my hat, and I've got to remember to stack that stuff up there, and I'm all ready. Ooh, guess I'm gonna have to stick that in there like so. Okay, I'm almost ready to put my coveralls on. And they had coveralls with booties on too. I could have got something like that to protect my shoes. I could wrap my shoes with masking tape if I really wanted to. I'm hoping not to get much on my shoes. Okay, and if I do, they're old. They're about ready to be thrown away anyways. Okay, so I'm just about ready to put my coveralls on, but I want to get my stuff out of the way up here first, and I'll be right back with you. Hey, this is going to be cool. Yeah, I'm listening to the song, Don't Stop Thinking About Tomorrow. And I won't. But that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back tomorrow with more videos.